Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Black Ops 6 unable to connect online to COD servers. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser, and then you just need to write Black Ops 6 servers or Activision servers, it really doesn't matter. And it should be the first link, probably Activision support by support.activision.com. Go ahead and click on it. And then here you should see Activision server status. So as you can see here, currently on all platforms is fully working. So it's good to go. We can proceed with other steps. And if you, for example, watching this video later and the service is not working on all platforms, all you need to do here is to wait that servers when servers is fixed, right? And if the service is running, second step, you just need to go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you're having good internet speed, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router, right? Another step what you need to do here. After that, you just need to open up your, depending on what you get the game, I get on Game Pass. So you just need to right click on here, manage, then files, browse, and then go to Call of Duty, content, and here look for COD.exe. If it's here, then hover your mouse here and paste and copy the path. If you're using Steam, what you need to do here, you need to open up Steam, look for Call of Duty, right click on it, go to properties, installed files, browse, and then look for a COD.exe file, but probably it will be instantly here, right? The next step, if you're having Game Pass and Steam, you just need to go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to virus and threat protection, manage settings. Then go to exclusions and add or remove exclusion. Wait for a few seconds. And then you just need to folder and then paste the folder. And then you just need to Call of Duty, select Call of Duty and select folder here and add it here. If you're using Steam, go to Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app, change settings, allow another app, then press browse. Then paste the path, then look for, as you can see here, exe file and add it. I'm using Game Pass, so I don't have permissions for that, but if you're using Steam, just add exe file and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then the next thing that you need to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt. It's for both, for the Game Pass and Steam as well. Make sure to open up as admin. Then when you open as admin, you just need to write / ipconfig /flush DNS. And another one is nesh winsock reset, right? And after that, restart your computer. And next step, what you need to do here, you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to network and internet. Then select advanced network settings and reset your network here. And also after that, go back to network and internet, go to advanced network settings again. Here you will find your internet connection. Select the option. Then it should be expand option. Then here should be a more adapter options, click edit, then select Microsoft Internet Protocol version 4, then select use the following DNS server addresses and write Google's DNS servers. So it will be on preferred DNS server, it will be 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server, it should be 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.